Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. Hi, how you guys doing? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video to the group Now United, and this video it basically is like a Pepsi promotion. I think it's called Sundin and Puso, Pepsi for the love of it. So I'm curious, someone told me about a week ago to react to it, and I'm just happy that I'm finally getting these lists down. So yeah. I'm still kind of sucks that Diarra is no longer part of the group, so. Oh my god.
Yeah, you already know who it is.
Yes.
Now United, Pepsi, what's good?
Here I come, rising up, gonna stand out.
Yeah.
Never gonna turn it down. In my heart, there's a whole lot of love.
Welcome, Diarra.
We're strong enough to shout it out.
This is me, no rehearsing. Yeah, lay it on the line and reverse it. And nothing's not enough, keep rising up. Never cater to the haters, I don't give a what. Hey, show them how it's done, doing what you love.
Come on, Philippines. Stabilities from the Philippines. Yeah, shot.
Stepping out in the world, take a solo. We can be who we are in stereo. We are the future, we are now, we're beautiful.
Yeah, Storm. Yeah, Storm.
You're looking at the future and we're ready to go. We're all there, all snap, just turn up the track. Show it that I love and I'ma show some back.
This is a very nice, fun commercial. One thing about Pepsi, they stay endorsing these arts. Come on, Brazil. Yes, yes, yes. Boom, boom. Yes, Brazil.
For the love of it. Go all out, go all in. Will I be big inside?
I don't know how to go back.
For the love of it. Go all in. Will I be big inside?
It's so cute. This group is so. Oh my god, I want to say thanks for the recommendation. Now United, this group is really talented. I said it over and over, it's a very talented group and I wish them much success. It's sad to see that Diarra is no longer part of this group. It's sad. And I do know she's also doing her solo career and I'm up for it. Her first song, Set Free, and her next song, Not Worried, I'm here for it. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comments. And I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching.